King Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, they got married. The Mumtaz Mahal, when she was on their 13-year age, she got married with the age of 15. He was 15 only that time. Actually, the Mumtaz Mahal was a Persian sales girl. And she used to come in India, Agra to sell the things in the Agra fort, because Agra fort was the homes of Mughal of that time. So time to time there was a festival and fairs on the ladies. So she used to come here to sell the things with their mother. And that time she was only 13-year-old, and her real name was Arjuna Bano Begum. And when the Shahjahan, he saw her very fast, he grabbed her beauty and he gave a proposal to get marry her. So any prince who give a proposal to a simple sales girl means yes. So she got married with the age of 13. That time the king was 15 and he had 2 wives already. Okay, child marriage. 10 years.
Thank you, Vinda.
And then
Brave man. He's a brave
he
man.
was a lucky man.
Not lucky, brave.
Okay.
Handling more than one.
And
One is very hard to handle.
Ability to handle more than
when
one.
he got the married with the Mumtaz Mahal, he gave a new name, same girl, Arjuna Bano Begum, was Mumtaz. Mum means ornament, Taz means a crown, and she was a crown of ornaments. Okay, and that's why we call this Taj Mahal, her same name and same lady, Mumtaz. Mum is a half name of same lady. Okay, Taj Mahal. Taj was a same name, half name of the same lady. So they got married, and Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal have 14 children. 1 for 14, yes. Okay, and out of 14, 8 were died in a very early age because of premature babies. Okay, and 6 were alive. 4 sons and 2 daughters. Among 4 sons, his third son, his name was Aurangzeb. He was a very super, means a villain of the story. And he was only a prince who was a very strong, very intelligent, and he had a big group of soldiers with him. And he was very strong, believe in Muslim only. He hate rest of the religion, and he wanted to become a king after his father. But according to the tradition, only first son should be a king. The first was Dara. He was a very kind, very noble, and very means a scholar also. That time he know the Sanskrit also. Yes, he was a very scholar. So the king thought that the next king should be Dara. So that's a big reason. Aurangzeb did a conspiracy against his real brother. He killed all his 3 brothers. Because
Yeah, I heard that.
shows
Yeah, I
he
know that.
was very cruel and very strong also. Nobody can dare to against him that time. And then after 5 years later, when Taj Mahal was completed, he did again conspiracy against his father also, real father. He got the house, arrested his father, and took him in the fort, Agra fort. From that place, Shah Jahan was badly arrested by his son with chain, without food, without water. And he used to sit at the corner of that room and he used to watch the Taj Mahal every time, day and night. And remember their beloved wife was his wife, was buried inside this museum. And then after 8 years, he was died because of starving and illness. At that time, he was 74. So he lived small. How she was, Mumtaz Mahal was died. So there's a one southern part of India. We call the Burhanpur fort. This time we call Karnataka. You know everything. Karnataka is the southern part of India. So we have that time we have a very famous fort. We call the Burhanpur, or the famous for war expedition. So all the king used to go for war and hold there. So in 1631, the Shah Jahan also go for the war. So that time he had a 3 wives. Third one was Mumtaz Mahal. So when any king who go for the war, there was a tradition, because each king have a 5 wives, 6 wives, 10 wives. At least 1 wife go with him to give a caring, protection and love at time of war. Okay, so that time first 2 ladies never go with him. They take a rest in the Agra fort. So the Mumtaz Mahal, she saw everything else. And she got married in the age of 37, and she was died only the age of 37. She was married with a 13 age, and she was died only 37, and she has 14 children. Every year she was pregnant. She gave a child to the Shah Jahan, and she decided to go with him the time of pregnancy. At that time we had not a vehicles, we had not a transport, only palanquin, horses, elephants and camels. She used to sit on the palanquin, go 950 kilometers from this place. This was a very risky for the pregnant lady, and this showed the love for their husband. And she go there and she take a birth, a 14 girl child, last girl child over there, and after third day she was died because of some delivery infection. Because that time we had not a hygiene, we not a hospitals. But before dying, Saja gave a promise to her that he would build something paradisical for her, that all the world can remember that true love of husband and wife. That's why we call this a holy place of lovers, holy place of husband and wife. Okay? And then no, she also newborn baby. Okay. And then after she was buried temporarily for 6 months for that fort. And king came here because that time Agra was the capital of India, and king used to sleep on the Agra fort. And then after he purchased this land by some Hindu king. That's why we have a one temple also there, Shiva, outside, not inside. Okay, there's controversy. You heard about the controversy. Okay. And then after he announced all over the world, the artisan can come here and present the something special, something paradisical for her wife, because he gave a promise to her. So the one, we have a one super artist, his name was Isan Lahori. He came from the Persia to Agra directly with 20,000 main artisan here, and then after he gave a model of the Taj Mahal, the front of Shahjahan, and this was passed by the Shahjahan. Then start the structural building of this main mausoleum. Meantime, the Mumtaz Mahal body got here, and she was buried temporarily again near the box. I will show you active box. And then after 12 years, when it was completed, her body, her remains only transferred inside the Taj Mahal, and she was buried very center of the Taj Mahal because Shahjahan gave her respect and honor his wife, because he gave a center seat to his wife. Okay, and then after 5 years later, when he was arrested by his son, he was died also, and he was buried next to his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. So inside we saw two tombs. One big side, left side is Shahjahan, and very middle is small tomb is Mumtaz Mahal, and rest of the ladies buried outside the gate. Okay, and when she outside the gate, and when she was died at the age of 37, so means, and then after king had to remarry again. The younger sister of Mumtaz Mahal, because she looks like a Mumtaz Mahal, but he still loves Mumtaz Mahal. There's a two reason. There's a two reason behind it. First is she was only a lady who lost her life only for his husband. The second, a big reason is there. She was only a lady who have a 14 children. No other lady have a single child. Because of biological disorder, that's why he put the Taj Mahal for his wife. And all the artisans came here, Persia to Agra, they never go to their Persia. They permanently settle here because Shahjahan, he remained the Taj Mahal unique in the world because he gave a promise to her. That's why he protect them, and he gave a shelter. And because these artists know only this art, no other art. And then after East India Company, British government came here. They saw the Taj Mahal, they tried to take everything else, but never success because Isan Lahori, he used some special glue in this Taj Mahal. That's the reason no any invader tried to keep it. Otherwise, all kept by the invaders. So this, the British government also kept all the descendants, and then after this time, it is now under control by the government of India. The government of India opened 20 factories here only for same descendants, because how they run their home. This is dying out nowadays because we have 20 factories controlled by the government of India. So we can go after this, we can go at least one factory. You can go there, meet the same descendant. They give a live demonstration of the inlay work of Taj Mahal with same technique, with same hammer and chisel, same Makrana marble, same precious stone, because they don't use any machine nowadays. They use the same hammer and chisel. That time they use a diamond chisel, but this time we have not a diamond chisel, iron chisel and hammer also. So after this they can go, because inside nobody can give a demonstration. And these artists are very fine, very dying art, very fine art. So this time young people doesn't know how we get it. So that's a big reason government can protect, because this is 7 wonder in the world, and we need that artisans every time. And this Makrana marble, you see, this is great. This is a very, very best marble in the world, and it is found only in India, no other part of the world. And it's we found it 370